How to enable severe weather alerts in Apple Weather. Here's how to enable them in the Apple Weather app. First, open the weather on your iPhone. Next, tap the list icon in the bottom right corner to view your saved locations. Now, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Notifications. If you're setting this up for the first time, tap Continue, then Allow notifications and location access when prompted. Select the location where you'd like to receive weather alerts. Next, turn on the toggle next to Severe Weather to receive notifications about storms, extreme temperatures, and other significant weather events. You can also enable Next Hour Precipitation to get alerts when rain or snow is expected soon if this feature is available in your region. If you don't see the notification options, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Notifications, scroll down, tap Weather, and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Also, check that location services are enabled for the Weather app. And that's it. You'll now receive severe weather alerts whenever they're available for your selected location. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.